Volvo Online is an intuitive, flexible and trustworthy way of buying a new car from the comfort of your own home. It offers supreme levels of personalisation which guide you through every step, from setting your budget and choosing the most appropriate finance product to selecting and ordering your perfect vehicle. And with the seamless integration of the car configurator, you can tailor your car alongside your finance plans from the ground up, all online and all at your convenience. What's more, there's a human touch. Volvo Online connects you with your retailer. Not only can you contact them at any point during the process, but it will also bring you together when placing your final order to ensure you have everything you need. Here's how it works. After creating an account on the Volvo website and logging in, you search for your preferred retailer by dropping in your postcode and choosing a radius. The accompanying map and list of nearby retailers make the selection simple. With the selection of your preferred retailer at the outset, Volvo Online ensures that all the prices presented are aligned to your retailer's offers. Next, it's time to find the right finance option for you. There are currently 3 options to explore, with personal contract hire to follow soon after launch. The accompanying videos make each option exceptionally easy to understand. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to value your old car, if you have one to part exchange, that is. Here, Volvo Online demonstrates its depth of design and customer focus. Robust questions lead to a precise evaluation of the car you wish to part exchange, not just an indicative one. First, you drop in your registration number, which brings up your car's details. After adding the current mileage, you answer a set of simple questions and indicate the condition of your vehicle. There are 5 possible conditions, from excellent through to poor. You then include your annual mileage along with any outstanding finance on the vehicle. On acceptance of the terms and conditions, you are then presented with your valuation. For you as the customer, trust is critical here. So before submitting your final order at the end of this process, your retailer will check all of this information against the vehicle's condition. But by giving you the opportunity to accurately value your vehicle from the outset, we're helping you to make better informed purchasing decisions throughout the process. The part exchange valuation takes into account your monthly mileage and the depreciation of your vehicle, month by month, for a period of 6 months. When factoring in the time it'll take for your new car to be delivered, this is crucial information for you and your retailer. When you're ready, you just add the valuation to your budget. Or, if you wish, proceed without the part exchange. It's up to you. Next, set your budget. If you've already configured your new Volvo, you won't be asked for your monthly budget. All that will be required is your deposit, your desired duration of agreement, and your annual mileage. It's this integration of the configurator into the platform that makes Volvo Online so easy to use. It removes the need to provide any duplicate information and adapts to the way in which you want to buy the car. After setting your budget, if you've configured your car already, you'll be shown a summary so you can review your chosen car and payment plan. If you haven't configured the car yet, it's time to select your model. All suitable models available via your chosen retailer now appear on screen for you to browse. By using different filters, you can narrow down your search and select your ideal model. After this, it's time to personalise your car alongside your finance plan. Again, we've made things transparent. By toggling your part exchange on and off, you can see straight away the impact this has on your monthly payment. You can also experiment with your budget criteria in the same way. Then, as you make changes to the car's specification, the figures will update accordingly. What's more, this even extends to accessories, like a dog harness. No other car manufacturer offers this level of flexibility when it comes to an online sale, and it's transparent every step of the way. Once you're happy with your choices, you get a summary of your car as you've spec'd it for you to check over before adding it to your basket. And then, when you're ready, proceed to the checkout. Here's where the part exchange setup really comes into its own. Volvo Online now checks the delivery date of your new car and attributes the correct part exchange value to your order. For example, if your car is due to arrive from the factory in 3 months, your part exchange car will be allocated the value it'll carry in 3 months' time. Now, a new car is a big purchase, so it's important to slow down at this point and review your decisions. This is where Volvo Online helps. Here, you're asked to scroll through your order details once again to confirm your vehicle and finance options. If you like, you can even add service plans at the checkout. After adding your address, select Reserve My Volvo. By providing your credit card details, your car is now reserved for 3 days. No money is taken at this point. Think of it like reserving a hotel room. It holds your reservation, but you don't pay anything until you buy. With your reservation secured, it's time to apply for finance. This takes you through the same steps you would go through in an offline experience, such as in a retailer's showroom. Once you've completed your application, the decision is instant. Presuming your application is accepted, all that's left to do is accept the terms and conditions and order your Volvo. At this final stage, your retailer will be in touch to walk you through your order and to make sure that you have the right vehicle and finance plan to meet your needs. If you decide you want to make changes, there's no need for you to go back into the system. Your retailer can do it for you. Volvo Online then sends you the changes for you to accept, at which point the retailer confirms your order. Don't forget, while you make this entire journey online, the system can give you the option at any point to press pause on the process and connect with your retailer, either on the phone or in person. Volvo Online makes buying a Volvo easier than ever. It's a personalised, transparent online experience which puts you firmly in control of your purchase with the help of your local retailer when you need it. And all at your convenience.